Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Wednesday, hard to believe, 15th of July. Let's get to the weather wisdom for today. We definitely have more sunshine for today. Temperatures starting in the 70s this morning. It's relatively humid as well. Temperatures going into the 90s today. That'll be day two for many of us. All that wildfire smoke did prevent temperatures from getting up as high as they potentially would have had it been completely clear. Nevertheless, it did reach 90. So we have dew points dropping this afternoon down into the 50s. By the way, we are sponsored by Hartney Graymont. Hartney Graymont for all your arbor care needs with offices in Concord, Danvers, also on Cape Cod and in Needham. And we'll have temperatures tonight falling back down into the 60s. There could be a little sprinkle here this afternoon as that dry air continues to work in. So we head for tomorrow, lots of sunshine. Temperatures tomorrow approaching 90. Humidity levels will be comfortable, even though it will be quite hot. And then as we head for Friday, mid to upper 80s, partly sunny skies. So if we do get a heat wave, it's just a minimal one at 3 days. Saturday, partly sunny. Temperatures on Saturday will be in the lower to middle 80s. Sunday, also partly sunny after a few showers late Saturday or Saturday night. So the weather overall looks fairly dry and fairly warm. The warmest day that we've got of the next, say, 7 is definitely today. We'll back off a little tomorrow, back off a little bit more as we head for Friday. And then right now, the weekend looks fairly seasonable into the second half of July. Have a great day, everybody.